Hello, darlings. I would like to interview a few of the molecules which are floating around in this early Earth's ocean, this primordial soup, if you will. And so, darlings, if you wouldn't mind telling me just who you are and where you came from.
Hello, my name is Glucose. I know you'll think of me as being sugar inside living things, where I am the primary cellular fuel. In fact, the brain needs to run on glucose. You can find me in starch and in glycogen and in the cell walls of plants and in receptors on cell membranes. Insulin and glucagon regulate my levels. Everything about me, the sugar, screams living things. But let me tell you a secret. All you need to make a molecule of glucose is simply 6 carbon atoms, 6 oxygen atoms, and 12 hydrogen atoms. And these atoms can be found in nature without life, in carbon dioxide, in water. In fact, you can make glucose without a single living thing, and it can be observed in nature and in the laboratory that you can make me one of the most important molecules for life without life. Hello, I am an amino acid. I make up the proteins, and proteins make up you and every other living thing. Your hair is protein. Your ligaments are collagen, a protein. Your enzymes which digest your food, a protein. Hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in your blood, a protein. Antibodies which fight microbes, a protein. The opsins in your eye which detect light, proteins. Proteins are made of me. I am an amino acid, and chains of amino acids make up all these proteins and all the proteins of trees and fungi and animals. But let me tell you a secret about me. The secret is this. Even though I am essential for living things and their proteins, you can make me without living things. In fact, if you simply add a little energy to nature, you will find all the amino acids, including me.
Hello, yes. I am the nitrogenous base for a nucleotide. I compose the sequence of DNA and RNA and the energy storage molecules of ATP. I am the code for life itself. But let me tell you a secret. If you simply add a little energy, such as radiation from the sun, or heat from a volcano, or an impact from an extraterrestrial meteor which bombarded the early Earth's surface, that is sufficient to rearrange the chemical bonds in things like water and carbon dioxide and methane and other inorganic molecules, and then make all of the organic molecules. In fact, me and all of the molecules of living things can be made without living things by natural processes which occur in nature.